one specific thing in market structure. I turned it into 3 different separate setups. And I've done the same thing with this. Nice little pullback here. So where's this pullback going to, guys? You should have this by now. Balance.
Balance. Bam. Look at that balance right there. Look at that.
No fair value gaps. Nothing. Just balance. What? Let me see your mentor do this with risk. Talking about just a fucking funny money account. I'm saying risk with risk on, not with a trading view demo. Because we saw that he cannot do it with anything else other than demo. Because it's hard to trade live. Ooh, balanced area got fucking rejected. Okay, so what's that mean? That we're gonna get probably another push down into here. Unless this down candle right here offers support, which it doesn't look like it to me. All right, there's one other thing I'm going to show you right now. So if you take the low to the high of the swing right here and measure it, that will give you this half back, and this half back is gold. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get a little degen with this here because I want to pass these evals today. So let's get it on. I'm going to show you guys how you can pyramid, not out, in, and then out. Right, I'm going to show you what I mean. Let's go ahead and add 10 onto this bitch. Let's go. You only live once, guys. So if you're not shooting your shot in your demo trading, you're not learning, get off the fucking demo. Demo trading is not trading in any kind of way, shape, or form, guys. It's just not trading. I'm sorry. It's not. Demo trading is the worst thing for you. I promise you that. You're better off setting up a really small account, whether that be a stock account. You could do it with futures. You get a micros account, put $100 in there, trade with one micro contract, and do that. And you're much better off doing that. All right, I didn't panic there. You guys see that? I didn't panic. I didn't exit because it did that here. So this is what I tell my people all the time. Look at these reversals as templates. So what happened here happened here. It's just this is a bigger one because price is fractal, right? So what happened here is going to happen pretty much on every reversal at the low. It's going to put in a double bottom. All right, so I need $300 more. Not much, right? So there's no reason for me to hold 9 contracts so I can start scaling out of these. All right, there it is. That eval's passed almost. And this one got stopped out on that push down. Savage. All right, so I like to start these off by entering like 3 contracts. Let it get some space though. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and log out of this. I got another take profit trader here. And then this one should be done now. I shouldn't be able to make much more. Still about the same actually. It's kind of odd. Now I'm gonna enter 3 on this one. Back to Apex, Topstep X. I still got another 800 I can make on that, but I'm gonna go ahead and take one off because there's likely to be a retracement eventually. And I want to have some like gunpowder loaded and ready to add on. All right, I see a trend form here. Let's go ahead and pop this on here like this. So I don't know if you see it, but it looks pretty clear to me. One boom, it's a big legs. So it's like this. And then this one's gonna be 3 taps, that's a wrap. And it's gonna send it to the fucking moon. It's more like this actually. It's like that. So this one is going to come down. Let me just redo it. So 3 taps, it's a wrap. You're looking for 3 touches on the bottom. So you're looking for price to work its way down. That's touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, which overshoots it a little bit here. Takes it up into the atmosphere. It's called blasting them. So there's your overshoot. Now it's going to pop back up inside of here. There's your pop back inside. And then we're going to add on here. Once we see confirmation that we are correct. Not confirmation. It's not even confirmation. We're just going to wait to see if we're correct. So it doesn't take long. A few seconds. Because when you have like this many contracts on, you can't be just like playing through them. You got to plan your entries. You got to plot, scheme, redeem. All right. Went ahead and entered there. Woo. Get that money. I'm going to get that money. And you're going to be like, whoa. Y'all are going to be stunned right now. This video doesn't blow your mind. I don't know what the fuck else to do, dude. There's not much else I could do to prove this shit to you other than what I've done here today. This is top level trading right here. This is really good trading. I think I've only taken one loss, one, and it was that stop out right here in one account. So one loss, one account. And then this one, I'm just trying to, I still need $200 more. So it's 3 taps a wrap. Goes like this. And now it should not come back into here. It could, but it should not. So let's check out that little trick I showed you. Oh, what do you know? Look at this, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add on here. Beautiful. I'm starting to feel like they're gonna do a fake out here. Maybe they'll blast it up into here-ish and then fake them out. All right, here she goes. She's about to go now. I can go ahead and move my stop up under there because now it should not go back underneath that low. But starting to feel like they might though. We'll see. I think that because of how long it's been up here. So people don't seem to realize like when price comes up and it moves up and then it stops and does this, this is not a bullish thing. This is not bullish. It does not turn bullish until this happens. Once that happens, then yeah, it's bullish. I used to do that too. I used to think, oh, it's bullish. It's going to continue up. No, it doesn't. Very, very, very rarely. All right, so there she goes. This is a 3 taps. It's a wrap setup. So I don't need a whole lot in this account. I only need $50 more. That was it right there. All right, there it is. Yeah. Okay. So now we got to deal with all these extra accounts with all this profit in them. So 1500, we need to scale out quickly because it's likely to pull back here, I would think. All right, I just want some of my profits left on deck. Not very much because I want to be able to add back into this shit hard when it pulls back. And I might not get that opportunity either. I know one thing though, this account's almost done. So yeah, fuck, I fucked up. I'm not
Order
going to get
filled.
that chance. It's going to go to my profit target before I get a chance to. Like, maybe they'll hook it up. Maybe they'll let me have a chance here, another chance to add on. But I don't think so. So that means I'm going to pass. I'm going to be able to pass one, two of them here. That one's done. Now let's pass this one. Let's add on here. Do a little dangerous work. All right, so now I don't really want to add on unless it pulls back. Because if I add on anymore, it's going to break even price too far away from the balance. I'm always thinking like, where's the balance from where I'm at now? So here's your balance. So it's out here. So can I survive with 5 contracts down to there? That's 5 points. Yeah, I could, yeah. And is 5 enough to get me to 53,000? Oh, yeah. So remember, I called this at the start of the first video, which was an hour and a half ago, maybe 2 hours ago. All right, nice pullback to the trend line. Now where is it going to go? To balance. Always fucking balance, guys. It's always fucking balance. Always. I'm going to add on heavy. Heavy as a motherfucker. Heavy as you gonna get, bruh. King Productions presents. Get off with it, cause I'm gonna add on it. Cause that's how I do it. Cause I gotta get that money. I got the powers. Alright, so I'm editing this video, right? And then I start rapping when I was trading, apparently. Usually I delete that shit. It's something I do when I get really excited. This time I just like spoofed it up and left it in there. And I forgot to take it off on the Apex or the Take Profit Trader account too. I'm gonna go 9 contracts deep on this motherfucker because I got it like that. Sorry guys, I get excited. Like when I'm trading like this, it's like it's very nice because the first week of the month, first week and a half, like, pretty rough for me. Always have been. Hopefully they won't always will be. I'm hoping that's not the case, but as of now, that is the case. And then I come back strong this next week, and then the last week of the month, I slay it, man. 50K, slay it, slay it. Last month, I made over $30,000 in the last 2 weeks. And that's why I'm going so hard on these take profit evals, man. Because I need that. You guys don't understand. Once you have access to your money when you want it, how you want it, it's different. I make $1,000, I pull it out. I make $3,000, I pull it out. I pull it out when I pull it out when I want to pull it out. No one's telling me what I can do and can't do with it. That's the difference. All right, so I need $500 more. Can I get there with that? Yeah, so I need to scale out because on pullbacks, we need to be able to add back. So you can't hold it there because the trailing drawdown will eat you alive. But you can scale in and out, remove the liquidity, put it back on. Remove the liquidity, put it back on. Rinse and repeat until it's passed. Yeah, see, now I want to be able to add back on. I think here comes that trap, actually. I think it's gonna come right now. I'm gonna go ahead and exit on my funded account. I just have a feeling they're gonna bust it right here. No, never mind. I was wrong. They're gonna pop it because we're right there. My profit target's right here, guys. It's right there. Yeah. How you like them apples? I told you guys. I told y'all. I told you it's not anything else, guys. That eval's passed. It's done. Oh, it pulled back a little bit, motherfuckers. Now here comes the trap. But let's put a trend line on here. There's obviously a trend. I can see it. It's like something like this. So I hit the top of it right here. So it's probably likely to come back in. All right, 56,700. Sick. I'm going to go ahead and exit my live account so I don't have to stress about it. And then I definitely need to take some off in those take profit accounts. They're probably up there. I hate having to lose money. It's just not yet. So $800. That one's done. That one got stopped out. What the fuck, man? See, that's why I got to check on. I don't know where I put my stop on that one, but it got stopped out. All right, let's go back to Apex in time, hopefully here. Come on. Go, bitch, go. This one hit like 53,000 like 3 times, and when I pushed the button, it pulled back a little bit. So I'm gonna add on here. I'm gonna add on here in this account. I knew it. They're gonna pull it back. I went and exited here. I think they're going to. We'll have to see, but I feel like it's a trap. Unless I have the trend line wrong, which it looks like I do. Let's go ahead and re-up 6 long, 4 in this account. And Topstep is over the limit for the
Order
day.
filled.
See how we're kind of stalling here? I still have a really trappy feeling going on here, like the trap. And I feel like they're gonna bring it down into here. Right in this area here. Half back of that, probably. Let's go ahead and measure that. Sorry about it just did. So it's almost there. So it'll be like half back into here-ish. And that will send it. You can also use a trend line if you're not sure where it's going to pull back to. You just pop a trend line on there. It'll give you a general idea. So it's saying somewhere around here. So then you look like, where's the blast balance area? Well, it'd be like right. So it'd probably be right here where it's going to pull back to. And then there's your pullback. Gets you a really clean entry right at the end of the day. This is that end of the day trap that I often talk about. Certainly gets a lot of people because they don't understand how the market works. They're focused on liquidity when liquidity is like just not what the market in this market cares about. And I'll make that clear. This market. I'm not saying in all markets because I don't trade all markets. I don't know. There's a profit target passed. All right, so then we have this one left. So let's pass this one too in the next 9 minutes. You got 9 minutes to go all the way up there. Can we pass the eval in that time? Fuck yeah. We need to go to take profit trader though and load back up over there. So I went ahead and loaded up 9 contracts here. Well, isn't that Jared? Isn't that dangerous, Jared? Well, yeah, but I'm trading a fucking evaluation. Come on, dude. I paid 20 or $37 for the fucking eval. I'm not tripping on it. Really not tripping on it. Potato chip. That see, this one's blown. It's blown. Am I upset? No. Do I care? Not really. No. Let's buy another one. That's why I was like, how many? Why do you have so many evals? Like, because at some point you gotta stop like caring so much about the evals, man, and just trade. I'm not saying be like a degenerate or anything. I'm just saying just trade. Like put the fear behind you and just trade. So this is a video. So imagine how much money you could make if you knew what the market was gonna do for the next 20 minutes. That's all you need. The next 20 minutes, if you can predict what the market's gonna do for 20 minutes. What did it do here, guys? What did it do? It went exactly to half back. Exactly. Nope. Now there's exactly. Oh man. I didn't get toasted that account. Alright. It did. Well, I can't complain. So 6,000, let's see. Account summary. 5,585, 3,000, 3,172, minus 1,100, minus 800. So I passed 2 evals and I failed 2. So 50%. That's good. 50% win rate on evals is really good. So then I have this one here. I made $3,295. Ooh, I didn't know I can trade this one. I can still make another $1,000. All right, 6 contracts. We got 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done where I hurt. I'm not worried at all because I know that this is half back and I know I didn't measure it quite perfect. So I know that if I fix this and make it exactly perfect here, it lines up perfectly. And I know that it's consolidating here. It's not like it just ripped right back down, is it? No. Price came down and now it's doing this. But it could easily not, it could just do another leg down. Because, like I talked about earlier, there's an area down here has not been rebalanced yet. And it's right here. So I'm definitely watching this to make sure that that does not happen here. All right, we had a little bit of push down below the half back there, which is usually a big, big red flag. And one thing I suggest you guys do is do what I do. You see me do. You guys ever wonder why I draw out where I think price will go? Because I'm building that predictive muscle in my brain. I'm building up that muscle memory of prediction, price prediction. Like, look at my chart, it's everywhere. It's something I've been doing for a long time now, and it's why I'm so good at predicting where the market will go. Without it, yeah, you can still do it, but the lines lock your prediction in. And as long as you don't like hold yourself to that 100%, which I do that if I share it with too many people or if I have like an options position on that's that way. So I went ahead and flipped short here based off of the violation of the half back. In my opinion, that should not have taken place. Targets down here. And I'm going to enter 3 more. I'm going to scale into this. You guys saw me do this a lot today. These scaling in and out, pyramiding in, scaling out. That's what results in like that 15, 20K profit that I had today. And I'm not copy trading. So that should say a lot, right? So the fact that I'm not copy trading, I'm able to make this money. Imagine if I did this with 20 accounts. It'd be insane money, but that it's leverage, right? And I like leverage just like everyone else does, but it can be super detrimental to me. So I think this is a 3 taps. That's a wrap, a big one. Let's take this trend line here. Take a look, see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, runs the line, and then shoots up. Yes, sir. Give it a second here to see which one it's going to be. Beautiful trade. You see, I didn't use liquidity. I didn't use anything else other than the fact that this is unbalanced. It has not been balanced. I'm still worried about this being a 3 taps. That's a wrap, though. And then we should get the end of day drift here as well. Here it comes. So there's your 4 o'clock candle. Let's see if it drops or pops. What's up, guys? So I'm editing the video now, and that was the end of that part. But I want to teach to you guys now. You guys that have watched all 3 videos, you watched until the end. You guys are my road dogs. You are the ones that I am here for. You're the guys that I'm trying to help. So you guys obviously believe what I'm saying is true, or you wouldn't have watched until the end of the video, and therefore are the ones that I truly want to reward. And I'm going to do a giveaway, and then plus that, I'm going to put some game on you. I'm going to drop some knowledge on you guys. I'm going to break down why I chose this here as the resistance point that I was trading towards in here. But if you think about it, so where was I trading in this video? Right here. That's it. Just this one little area. And then why did I choose that this would be the high and it would go down into Friday? So this was the prediction that I gave on stream Thursday night. And then what I did, I rolled over and went lower. So first thing we need to discuss is to get you guys to get rid of this liquidity narrative. Because if you're trading with that liquidity narrative, I think it's going to make it really hard for you guys. I've had some clients that have tried to shake them of it, and you're indoctrinated and pretty much brainwashed at this point. So it's very, very hard to shake you guys of it. You're going to have to go in and see it for yourselves. That's really the only thing I can think of to get you guys to shake it. But so in that video, you see me trading from to here in the video, like this area of price. So if you go to a 10-minute chart and you zoom out and you look here, we ran this high, but what's on the other side of the high? A huge inefficiency, right? That is a huge inefficiency. I think it's 14 candles in a row on a 10-minute chart. That's like the definition of inefficiency. And this is what you guys need to be looking for, because when you have this take place, this will be redelivered to every single time, pretty much. Like every single time it's going to be redelivered to. I say 3 candles in a row. That's a good one. But the more the merrier, the more powerful the magnet is going to be on the top of it. So I used to subscribe to the notion that equal highs and lows are your magnets, right? But I started noticing that after price ran these equal highs and lows, it didn't reverse right away, and it was always a different amount. Sometimes it would run them and it would go 20 points above, 30 points above, and then reverse. And sometimes it was 5, and then sometimes it was 110, and then it would finally reverse. And this really bugged me because, like, in my mind, just I couldn't figure out why it does that. And so I started to seek that out. Why would it do that? And I finally found it out. So now, do I look for this? Fuck no. Why would I look for the thing that doesn't make it reverse? I'm looking for why it reverses. What is actually drawing price towards it? It's not that. It's this, the half back. So why is that the case? Because this is hard to code, but they can code a certain amount of candles in a row and a consolidation on the other side of it that then needs to be redelivered to 50% of it. Because if you think about it, if buyers buy, sellers sell, buyers buy again, that means that both buyers and sellers from this point to this point have had a fair opportunity. So if you go halfway in between the point that's fair, then you know you've redelivered price, and you know that both sides of the market, both the buyers and the sellers, had a fair opportunity, and then therefore it's balanced. That's why you saw price come into this area right here. Price comes back up into it and then touches it and then continues downward because it fulfilled its obligation. The obligation for the market makers was to get price back to balance and redeliver it. And once that's done, it can continue on with its original objective, which I don't think it's an objective. I think the algorithm clicks on when this happens, right? This happened, and that's why you see price come back up. It even overshot this balanced area here, which I thought in the video, that's where I start the video. I start the video right here. I think I start the video. So you even get a pullback there, and then it forms a new balance and goes higher. Now let me go through a couple examples because you guys did watch until the end. I appreciate you. So we're going to look for 3 or more candles in a row. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Check. 1, 2. No, this one doesn't have it. So if you look here, that's why this failed right here. Why did it fail right there? Because dojis are balanced, right? Dojis are on a smaller time frame, a consolidation. So you take this doji right here, you put it there, and then you make sure you have 3 candles away from it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. So what's price do? It comes back up, rebalances it, offers both sellers and buyers that fair opportunity that they're required to deliver, and then continues with the sell pressure. Then price stops. Let's look at a bullish version. So you have a consolidation here, right? Consolidation's the ultimate balance. So if you take the high to the low, was there 3 candles in a row? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in a row. They're just different colors. And then comes back. Where does it come back to? The half back. So this is a good example of why people would think that a breaker would work, right? But people are doing it wrong because they would say that this is your breaker. It's supposed to be the last up candle before the run on liquidity. That's here. That's your breaker right there. Not here. This last up candle would be the last swing high before run on liquidity. That's that right there. So they would say that that's your breaker, and that's why it reversed, but it's not. It's the balanced area, half back of it, reversed. Boom. Up she goes. Let's look at another one that's in like a trend. Here we go. So you have a big push down. Where's your balanced area? It'd be that doji, right? The doji would be your balanced area. Voila, boom. It spiked up at the opening and hit it to the tick and then went down. And then there's phase 1 of this and phase 2 because it can't all happen at once. Let's look at a live example in Bitcoin real quick because it's coming into one of my balanced areas here. All right. So Bitcoin made this really big move up out of here. Look at this doji right here. Boom. Half backed it, yeah, bitch. Look at that. It's even in the crypto markets, man. Everywhere. Half back. Nailed it. Doji. Money. So now I'm going to come here. I'm going to go boom. I've made like $1,000 doing this today on Bitcoin. So if you guys have, like, you saw my video on this and then you can't do it with base, it's because I don't think base has enough liquidity. I think I ruined that pool of liquidity. I made like $1,000 one evening pretty fast in like an hour or two. And from that, yeah, I can't get it to work anymore. But I switched to the Arbitrum version of this, and then it works fine. So I think what happened is not enough people are trading it, because you'll notice right here, out of 250K. If you go to bases now, it says out of 100K, and it won't even let you trade anymore. So I think I just like raped it raw. All right, guys. So if you're interested, check out my live streams. I'll put the link in the comments. And if you're interested in getting funded, please check out my website. I went through a long journey to get funded and find a funding company that I really trusted. And so through that time, I have found a few companies that I trust, and I trust them so much, I guarantee they pay you out. Let's say you use my code and then you followed the rules, you did everything you were supposed to, and the company's, oh, we're not going to pay you out. Hit me up and I will pay you out. I guarantee it. I'll pay you out, guys. I got you. I've met with the owners. I've talked to them. I trust them. You get 90% off. I know it's inexpensive, so you automatically think, oh, a bad funding company, but I posted the proof of my payouts this month, almost $7,000. Use the code JKing90, get 90% off. Apex Trader Funding. If you guys don't trust them, you're crazy. They paid out like more than this month than most companies have in the history of their companies. So 80% off. Take Profit Trader. This is the one I was talking about in the video. Payouts from day one. I made almost $40,000 a month last month, and it was a lot due to this company because I could just take out the money after I made it. I didn't have to wait forever. If I made $1,000 that day, I just took it out. If I needed money, I made it and I took it out. Like, this company helped pay for I bought my girl a new Audi, and it paid for a majority of it. So definitely check them out. There's other companies on here like Topstep and Trade Day, Tick Trader. Now let's get that giveaway on for you guys. All right, guys. So here's the giveaway here. I'm going to do it differently than I have in the past. To get into the giveaway, you're going to have to like the video, comment below your favorite thing about this video, and then on the, let's look here. Last time I didn't give enough time, so let's go with Saturday the 27th. So 2 weeks from today, I will announce the winners on a live stream giveaway. So something to note, if it's after that, that means that this giveaway is no longer going. So this giveaway is going to be for all the giveaways I do on Twitter, YouTube, whatever. And I apologize to the people that had to wait for their code. I sent it to them today. If you haven't gotten your code from me, you won the last giveaway, please email me if I didn't send it to you today. I think I got everybody, but I may have missed somebody. So please do that. And then on the 27th, I will announce the winners who participate in the giveaway. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. And I will see you guys in the charts.